Alright guys, I'm making chocolate braid because chocolate braid, this is a really simple one. I'm going to use it with Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheet. I took out for one sheet for the box and I let it thaw on the counter for 40 minutes or overnight in the fridge, return the second from the freezer. I already preheated the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven is preheated. Now I'm also going to need for the chocolate bar. This is what the brand name for the Choceur Dark Chocolate. Smooth dark chocolate. You need to have with 5.29 ounce. I'm going to use it with a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper because it's really easy to release. I already beat one egg with 1 tablespoon of water to make it nice and frothy. That's going to be for the egg wash. When the puff pastry is ready to thaw, you want to put it on the flour cutting board like I did. Let's take out the puff pastry. I'm going to unfold. Oh, and don't forget to remove the straps of parchment. I'm just going to move this to the right side. Now you want to put the chocolate bar on the center of the pastry, like this. Now I've been seeing about the life hacks for how to use it with the chocolate bar on top of the pastry right in the center. Alright, I just cut it for the inch pie. I just already mark it down. I'm just going to make sure to put it all the way to the ends. That's going to be for on the top and the bottom. I'm just going to move that down. Like I said, I'm just going to cut it inch apart. I think I like to use it with the pastry scraper, just like this one. It's maybe kind of easy one. And look at that, how does it look? And then you can go ahead to remove the corner pieces. Oh, it's got one part. Now starting from the top, you're going to fold down the flap, then alternate right and left until you're close to the bottom. Let's start with the top and the bottom. I'm just going to make it braided. Alright, this looks perfect good. Now I have something leftover pastry like this one. I'm going to put that at the end. Now I just already took underneath the extra pastry underneath. Then I'm going to place it onto the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Just like that one. And I have something extra pieces. I'm going to use it for the decorations. Now you're going to brush the egg wash using with the pastry brush. That's right on top of the puff pastry. Just be braided with the lattice one. Look at that color of the braid. Really bright. I'm going to use with the leftover pieces of pastry, like I have it just trimmed. I'm just going to stick it right in the middle. That's going to be for the decorations. Going to brush more of the egg wash. Add the little triangle pieces right in the middle, just like that. Alright, we're almost there. Let me just brush a little more for lastly. I forgot to put 2 more of that. Just right on top of that. So just stick it in. It's gonna be nice and glorious. Like I said for the optional tips, you can easily add some leftover corner pieces of pastry on top as a decorations. Now you want to bake it for 25 minutes until the pastry is nice and golden brown. Alright, great. Time to go into the oven. 400 degrees. We're gonna put that into this one. Ooh, it's gonna be very nice and hot oven. Put that right into the center. And let's set the timer for 25, 2, 5, and start. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. The braid is ready. Let's take it out of the oven after just about for 25 minutes on 400 degrees. And look at that one. You can see how puffy it was. Puff pastry just puffs up. It's just very great one. And the chocolate also. I'm just going to put this on the wire rack before you go to serve it warm. Now you want to let it cool on a wire rack for 20 minutes. We're going to have something for the rest. Now for presentation for after 20 minutes, I like to dust with some powdered sugar right on top of the braid. It's going to be very nice and decorative. And here's the finished chocolate braid with culture. Simple, fast, and easy. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. Review always before sharing. Subscribe my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for A1. As always, thank you very much for watching.